Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up a 301 redirect on SiteGround. So before you creating an account, you will have to purchase the plan for creating, and if you want to buy to premium or subscription of SiteGround, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code from me. So what is a 30 redirect? So it's indicates a permanent redirect from an old URL to a new URL. So that is 30 redirect, and create redirect with the SiteGround redirect tool. So one way to create redirect is from your hosting provider control panel. In your SiteGround site tools, you will find the redirect tools. So just tab on it to create. So you can find the htaccess in the root directory of your site and add the redirect lines you need at the bottom of the file. So in case you need to set up a redirect tools for many pages, you can use a web redirect generator, and likely the tool is easy to use and can help you generate bulk redirects to your htaccess. So redirect via a plugin for WordPress. Using a free WordPress plugin, you can easily create redirections plugin. You can use them with your website to rank method. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.